Hi guys, good morning. It is Tuesday, April 7th. It's probably going to rain today. We have a chance of 40%. The low is 68 and the high is 80. So our daily decision making for today, we're going to read about Ken and circle the good social skills Ken shows. Ken is a sore loser. He gets angry when the team loses. He brags when the team wins. And when the teammates make a mistake, he yells at them. He complains all the time.
Mom, coffee? I need coffee.
No. So our options for our good social skills that Ken shows is high five, yells at friends, brags, tells the others they did a good job, does nothing about winning, or congratulations.
Mama,
So-
I want this.
Yeah. So if you cannot find anything to circle, go ahead and talk to your parents or your supervisor about things that Brad or Ken could have done instead. Okay? Have a great day.